Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today, we're bringing you a detailed review of an exciting new entrant in the 125cc segment, the 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro. Suzuki has gone bold this year with a motorcycle that blends vintage charm with modern reliability. The Thunder 125 Retro is all about classic styling, practical performance, and that unmistakable retro vibe that's turning heads across the country. If you're into retro motorcycles that don't break the bank, this one is worth checking out. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Scout for more updates and reviews. First up, let's talk design, because that's what really sets the Thunder 125 apart. Suzuki has nailed the retro look with a round headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, minimalistic body panels, and spoke wheels. The chrome touches on the mirrors, exhaust, and headlight bezel add a premium old-school feel. The twin-pod analog instrument cluster reinforces the retro appeal while providing basic readouts like speed, fuel, and odometer. You'll also appreciate the upright riding stance, single-piece long seat, and retro-style grab rail. This bike is clearly designed to be both stylish and practical. Whether you're riding to college, work, or just cruising around the city, the Thunder 125 Retro turns heads with its classic silhouette. The paint options are also in line with the theme. You can get it in elegant dual-tone shades like metallic, green with ivory, matte gray with black, and classic red with chrome detailing. The overall fit and finish are impressive for a 125cc commuter, giving it the feel of a more premium machine. Now moving to the engine and performance. The 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro is powered by a 124cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine that makes about 10.5 PS of power and 10 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 5-speed gearbox, which is a nice touch in this segment. The engine is smooth, refined, and built for efficiency. It's not a race bike, but it gives you enough punch for city rides and occasional short highway runs. What really stands out is how well balanced the power delivery is. The throttle response is crisp, and the engine feels stress-free even in slow-moving traffic. The gearbox is smooth, and clutch action is light, making it easy to ride for beginners or those who want a relaxed ride. Plus, the BS6 Phase 2 compliance and fuel injection system help keep emissions in check and improve throttle response. Fuel efficiency is a key factor in this segment, and the Thunder 125 Retro delivers well here. You can expect around 55 to 60 km/h in city conditions and slightly more on highways with smooth riding. With a fuel tank capacity of 10.5 liters, you're looking at a pretty solid range before you need to hit the pump. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and twin shock absorbers at the rear, tuned for comfort on urban roads. The seat cushioning is on point, and the suspension soaks up most potholes and bumps with ease. Whether you're solo or riding with a pillion, comfort remains a strong point. Braking is handled by a front disc and rear drum setup, supported by combined braking system, CBS. It offers decent stopping power and keeps the bike stable under hard braking. While there's no ABS, CBS works effectively for the kind of everyday riding this bike is built for. Other practical features include an engine kill switch, electric start, and a USB charging port integrated near the handlebar, a useful touch for the modern rider. Storage under the seat is limited, but you do get enough space for documents and a small toolkit. Coming to the price, the 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro is priced at Rs 89,900 ex-showroom. On-road pricing varies by city, but generally falls between Rs 1.5 lakh to Rs 110 lakh. For a bike that offers retro styling, a refined engine, decent features, and Suzuki's brand reliability, it's a pretty compelling deal in the 125cc space. So, should you consider the Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro? If you love retro bikes and want something lightweight, practical, and stylish for daily use, the Thunder 125 is a great option. It's ideal for city riders who appreciate classic aesthetics but want modern-day convenience and low running costs. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro. What do you think about this new retro-styled commuter? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Scout for more bike reviews, comparisons, and updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and ride smart.